Hello dear all, this is HUNE Superborn again. Today I want to introduce you my good friend, Iron Man. Okay, I know you are cool, but today I would like to introduce you another cool item. Hey friend, do you know what is this? Let me show you. It's 5 frequency impulse electromagnetic wave. Its currency is high enough to affect the electronic device. If this waiver can affect unlock and make it unlock? No, I don't think so. You can only unlock in an offline way. Hey friend, is your armor anti-deering? Can I text? Then we just test Hunelock by this. See what challenge it can conquer. Well done! Isn't it? Once trapped in fire, the first priority thing is escape. You never expect it to be trapped just because of some mortar's anti-fix setting. Hunelock is also anti-fix, but it can still be unlocked inside even with fire. I think life is more variable than any fortune. So if I were trapped in fire, should we still have to turn the dashboard to unlock?
Nope.
My answer is no way. Once dashboard is out, panel release function can save your time. If you want to know more about Hunelock safety function, please go to our website here. Or you can go to our Facebook to leave your message to us. We will come to you in a fresh speed.